What is a test and how does it look like? Here it is: title, a description, and questions with answers. When a respondent selects an answer, the system allows to track the progress by percentage of complete questions at the page title. So now we have 33%. If a respondent tries to get results without answering all the questions, a message that prevents non-complete answering appears. At a result page, a respondent will see a result or result if a test has many results and formulas satisfied. Each result has a title and a description. In our case, we have single result happy. It's because the total of happiness scale in this passing is equal or more than 3. How to create the test and fill all its questions, answers, scales, results, scores and formulas. Let's start from creating new test. What is a test? A test is the same as a post. It has a title, a description, a date and an outcome. It also has questions, answers, scores, scales, results and formulas. Answers, scales and results look like post categories. You can select them in the sidebar. Let's select some of them. If you don't like their order, you can reorder them by drag and dropping. If we don't have the needed answer, scale or result, we can add them right here. Scales and results have descriptions, which are shown on result pages. We have already added some scales and results through the sidebar. Now let's change their descriptions. We can do it by clicking on Scales or Results on the test menu in Admin area. Open Happiness scale and update its description. We can add questions one by one. But if we have them in list, better to use Quick Fill from text. When we need individual answers for some question, we can both add them and remove. To decide about result, we need to know totals by scales, and these scales totals are made of particular scores that weigh on the crossing of a particular answer and the scale. We can fill in scores manually on the questions answer scales matrix, or we can use Quick Fill feature that help us in our scales scores model isn't so complicated. The final step in creating a test is to link up its results with the respondent scores on each scale. Each scale will allow to use same named variable in formulas that contain totals of scores chosen by respondent. So for our sample test we can use these formulas.